How to turn on or turn off Sync Home to iCloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the main settings page, we then scroll down to the bottom, then tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the CO button, and then in here, we scroll down and tap on Home. Tap on the Home toggle button to turn off or switch on Sync. So here I have turn off Sync for Home, or I can tap on it to turn on Sync for Home. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key, or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.